Alright guys, let's take a look at what is in the box or parcel. Call these things unparcelings on this channel because there's no box. But sometimes we call them unboxings because there's a box. Anyway, let's see what we've got in here. I think that's all that came with the unit. And it looks kind of interesting. What in the heck is that? Let's zoom in on it a little bit more and get this stuff out of the package. But it looks interesting. So, didn't come with a proper box or thing, but it's got sort of a microphone-ish look to it. And then there's this doohickey here. I guess you stick this over your head. I don't know. And then there's an instruction manual that came in with that too. We'll have to take a look at the manual first, right? Let's read.
Likey